Yes, my name is Quinn Hailes, and I'm from California. I just attended the 3-day intensive, and it was a very good experience with Roland and Janella, and I really appreciated it. When I came out, I really didn't know what I was in for, but when I got here, I was treated exceptionally nice and taken care of completely. I enjoyed myself completely. My wife is my world, and I'm glad to be that much closer to her today. Thank you.
My name is Gloria, and I'm also from California, and I've attended the 3-day intensive. What I got from this was, today I can say that I've gotten tools, a path, a level of encouragement to know that there are wonderful people in this world that are working to rebuild marriages every single day. And Roland and Janella and Couples Academy has just been a wonderful experience, I think, for any family or couple that are going through anything within their marriage, regardless if it's where it is in your marriage. Investing in your marriage, investing in yourselves, investing in that is one of the best things you can do.